Hello, guys. How are you? I hope you're happy at your home. I want to say that I miss you a lot. I want you to share time with you, but we have to stay at home to face this strong virus that is coronavirus. Okay, let's start. We are going to see today how to compare fractions. Okay. And here I want to show you how to represent fractions. For example, here you can see a quarter, you divide in four equal parts and you take one. So in this part you can see a quarter. And here you divide in eight equal parts and you color one. So here you can see 1/8 of pi, it could be. Here, symbols to compare. Okay, when we are going to compare fractions or anything, we use three symbols. The first symbol that is greater one, the second is less than, and the third is equal to. Okay, when you use greater than, here you put the bigger number, and here you put the smaller number. One example is 4 is bigger than 3, or 4 is greater than 3. Another example is that 5 is less than 8, or 5 is smaller than 8. Notice that the mouth of the crocodile always open to the bigger number. Okay, we are going to compare 3/4 and 5/6. To do that, we are going to represent 5/6 and 3/4. To represent 5/6, you have to draw 6. You have to divide the whole in 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you color 5 parts. And the same here. You divide in 4 equal parts and you color 3. So here you have 3/4 and here you have 5/6. Notice that the color part of 5/6 is greater than 3/4. So we can say that 5/6 is greater than 3/4. Or you can say that 3/4 is less than 5/6, like here. Okay, we are going to continue. Okay, we are going to compare these two fractions. You have 2/3 and a half. We represent them. 2/3 is like that and 1/2 is like that. So you notice that 2/3, this part is bigger than this part. So this fraction is bigger than this one. And we represent like this. 2/3 is bigger than 1/2. Okay, we are going to use another method to compare fractions. So we have 3/4 and 5/6. In this method, you are going to find the least common multiple between denominators. The denominators are 4 and 6. So here you have the denominators and you find the least common multiple. So the multiples of 4, 8, 12, and 16. The multiples of 6 and 12. And 12 is common. So the least common multiple or the least common denominator is 12. So in that way, 4, you're going to multiply the first, you have 4 and 4 by 3 is 12. So you're going to multiply the first fraction by 3. And the second fraction is by 2 because 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, let's multiply. 3 by 3 is 9. 4 by 3 is 12. 5 by 2 is 10. And 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, 9 is less than 10. So 9/12 is less than 10/12. And 9/12 represents 3/4. And 10/12 represents 5/6. So it means that 3/4 is less than 5/6. As you can see here, that's the other way to do it. Okay, thank you very much. I want to see you soon. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And the activity that you're going to do is this one. Okay, you are going to compare these fractions.